He said, Annette, you're gonna like this, and I love it. Federico has promised a surprise today. I'm with my friend Liz, who's looking for property. So we're gonna go take a look and see what he has in mind.
I'm Liz Roberts, and I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm looking for a house that's very easy to maintain, maybe 1 or 2 bedrooms. I'd love to be able to make some income when I'm not there as well, so rental option. I love outdoor space, and being able to see the sun in the morning is really important. But I realize too that that's not always an option, so I'm flexible.
Ora vediamo una casettina piccola però col giardino.
Okay, it's a little house. It has 2 rooms.
Okay.
But a cute garden.
Right.
Oh my God, this is so awesome. Oh, Annette's excited. He knows me. He knows me. He knows what I like. Oh, this is like a cottage.
The initial reaction I had when walking up to the property was, oh my gosh, there's so much outdoor space and we're practically in the center of town.
Damn. Well, Liz and I are both like, you know, we're in euphoria. So we can't even talk. We're just like standing next to each other, staring at this cottage. I think we're both deciding who's gonna buy it at this point. But it's a no-brainer. I mean, one of us is gonna buy it. To be determined. This is new, we've never seen this.
Okay.
It has this beautiful little garden. It's behind Fivizzano, so you just, walk 2 steps in. I don't know what it has because we are with Federico, who tells us nothing.
2 rooms.
But there's
we got
2 rooms.
2 rooms.
All right, so let's go.
Price 32
Oh,
mila.
32,000.
that's
That's
doable.
my price.
Prezzo.
Get out that checkbook. Okay, you're gonna have to watch this video till the very end. Federico brought us to this adorable cottage, and I think that Liz fell in love. I caught up with her 3 months later, and I'm gonna let her tell you what happened. So don't forget, watch till the end.
It's got all this really great outdoor space, which I wasn't expecting to find in the middle of Centro.
Oh my God, people, I'm sorry. Let's get that checkbook out.
Right?
It's tiny though, so just be ready.
If you want just like a little...
It's probably 2 closets.
Allora, qui c'era il bagno. Bagno, vaso.
Here's the beautiful bathroom. I want you to get a big shot of this one.
Ooh, that is...
So you just have to come outside in the rain to go pee-pee. It's no big deal.
Okay.
We can't even fit our umbrellas in here, it's
Yeah.
so tight.
Allora, qui è possibile fare questo piccolo ampliamento
Ok.
per fare il bagno qua.
Okay, so you could close this off and put, I
Fare
don't
la
even-
porta davanti.
This is so
Yeah.
small, I don't think we're gonna talk about ripping things right now. We're just gonna,
Fare la porta di là e qui il bagno.
oh,
Ora apro.
let's buy this.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Federico. I love him. Oh my God, this is like a little,
It's so cute.
fantasy, a little fantasy.
Immediately when we walked in, I could tell that somebody had already started doing work on the ceiling. And so it looks like, in terms of sort of the infrastructure of the home, there's been a lot of work already done, which is really nice because it's, to go into a raw space like that, it's good to know that there are some things that have already been put in place, so it's safe.
So this was bought by a woman who's Italian but lives in France. And which makes sense if you look at it, it's like, charm, 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 charm. That's so cute, you don't have to do anything with that. Well, this is pretty freaking cute.
This is real cute.
What do you think about Airbnb-ing this? Yes.
Yes.
In 2 seconds.
All day long.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you gonna hold? Thank you. I feel so much safer now.
I think she's bullshitting me, but
We'll add some
I'll
creeping
hold
sound
your
effects.
ass.
Oh my God, thank you. That's important.
You're doing great.
Okay.
Okay.
So there's a twin size bed up here.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's 2 twin size bed frames.
Okay.
Maybe in theory you could put a king
Ideal
size.
window in the roof.
Oh, and there's a window up there too?
Ideal. Fare una finestra.
Oh, yeah, so
you'd wanna
put
put
one,
one in.
yeah. Oh, we could do that.
Yeah, that's doable.
Okay.
Considering that there's a loft space for the bedroom at this point, I want to think about access to and from that loft space. Is it just a little ladder? Is there something a little more substantial you could put there to go up and down? What does the living space look like? So can it also sleep some people? It's kind of like thinking of like a tiny home. How am I going to make this usable and functional as well as super cute? Okay,
Well-
yeah, this is a, like easy. You can sleep up here.
Yeah, penso comprare questo.
Interessante.
Interessante, questo è fantastico questo.
È unico perché giardino in
Oh
Fivizzano.
my God. Like, so either Liz or I are going to buy it or we'll buy it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is happening.
Okay, so questo sì. Don't show it to anybody else.
Yeah,
Vediamo.
this is ours.
No vediamo.
lo so.
Stop it with the vediamo. He always says that and it's something terrible. It's like some terrible news. We have to like put a deposit down on this because he's going to show it to somebody and somebody's going to buy it like in 2 seconds. Holy crap. Bad news, Frank. Bad news.
Annette and I had a very big reaction to this little cottage because it is so cute and so doable, and I can't see a reason right now to not put an offer on this, and I definitely am going to be taking the next steps to move forward. It's a really special, unique place, and it's so cute.
Yeah, we're buying this. Thank you very much. We'll buy this
Thank
today.
you.
OG?
Yeah, we're doing
Yeah,
it.
we're
Thank
doing
you.
it.
Thank you.
Grazie.
That's it.
This is fantastic. This is a fantastic property. I mean, Liz and I are going to duke it out. We're
Yes.
going to do the thumb thing or something for this. And she's done some work, which is nice.
Yeah, I'm curious when this work was done.
Quando faccio questo? Quando? Quest'anno? Scorso
Questo si
anno?
può fare.
2 anni
Ah,
fa?
questo?
Sì.
2 anni fa.
Yeah, 2 years ago. I
Era
just guessed
finito.
he says
Sì,
yes.
più o meno.
So one of us is going to buy this. It is a cottage with a garden. Garden is where you can eat.
And you can do kind of an outdoor kitchen
Yes,
as well.
with a pergola.
Yeah.
With a kitchen. We got it. We're done. We have it. We've bought our house. We're going now. Thank you for joining us.
I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, this is really fun. I'm really surprised. I wasn't expecting this.
Federico literally looked at me and said, I have a little surprise for you. And he knows me so well, and he knows what I like. He knows. He said, Annette, you're going to like this. And I love it. Oh my God. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for joining us, all of us, my new crew. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you, of course, to Federico, championship ice skating champion from 1995. And fantastic realtor. Thank you so much. Grazie mille. All right, thanks guys. See you later. Peace.
Ciao.
Hi, Liz.
Hi, Annette.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. Listen, a lot of people are excited about your property search.
Yeah.
And I just really wanted to check in with you because I wanted to see what the status was and had you made any decision?
Yeah. So it took a while, and I think that that's one of like the biggest lessons in all of this is learning how in Italy the culture is slower, and so you just have to be patient. But yes, I put an offer in on the little cottage, and the offer was accepted.
My neighbor.
Yeah.
We actually walked by there a few days ago and, just kind of said a little, prayer in front of it, hoping that you would get that property because I know how much you loved it and we love it. And Frank saw it for the first time and he loved it too.
Oh, good.
So, yeah, so that's so exciting.
Yay!
So are we going to be able to film some of you're bringing Jenny with you, so she's not seen this.
Yeah.
I have heard rumor that she's called it a pile of rocks, which is
We nicknamed
very
it
much
pile of rock.
it's very much my dynamic with Frank. Yeah, so we're going to document this. I'm I'm so excited because I just love that little place.
Right? So cute. It's so cute.
Okay, great. Well, congratulations. I'm so glad I called to check in with you. We'll see you guys in a few months.
Okay.
Cool. Ciao.
Ciao.